Have you not noticed?
What?
Look at the box.
Is it actually finished though?
You didn't even notice that?
I didn't.
Ridiculous.
No.
What did you think you was racing today then? I left it at home. Oh no. Only joking. It's in this box.
Good. I would like to first round get round clean.
Yep.
Second round get round clean.
Yep.
I basically want to get it round clean, and I don't want to break anything.
Fine. Well, that's.
I'm being realistic. I'm not going to be winning anything today.
No. All right. Well, look. Shall we?
Should we get inside?
Come on then. Let's go. Old school top there. You got to like that.
Do you like it? Do you like it?
Where'd you get it? Where'd you get it?
I got that off the old Tinternet, so I'll put a link in the description down below. Okay. Actually,
we're here at DMS Racing.
We are
one of our favourites. The track's not out yet, so we've got a bit of time to have a little chat before we start lugging carpets. So
this is the car that we've been waiting for ages and ages.
Yeah.
Because the person that built this car took ages and ages.
Yeah, but like I say, you can't rush perfection.
Perfection.
You cannot rush perfection.
Why did you have to delay getting the car to me?
Well, because I did a few bits wrong. Anyway,
that's not perfection.
Yeah, okay, you're right. But one thing I have noticed, look how much wider that front is. I mean, all right, it's not much, but it is a lot wider at the front and at the back. I'm wondering if you're gonna. I wonder how much difference that's gonna make.
I'll tell you what. I just hope it's nice and planted on the track for the first run out. I'm not expecting miracles today.
Nope.
What sort of changes can we actually make here without having to do too much?
Right, so we can lay the shocks down a little bit more. There is a hole to do that, and we can probably stand these ones up. So that would be the first thing I would suggest.
We could play around with the toe, the camber and things like that. But I think, to start with, we'll probably just move shock upright and go from there. You're looking to do well in the A final today.
I'd like to, but we'll see. I seem to be better at buggies than I am at touring cars, so I don't know. See what happens. But
see how we get
it'd be
on.
Interesting. Hey, listen, we've got to get the old track out, haven't we? Really?
Yeah.
So
Let's go.
Oh, not again! They're trusting you again with the track build to suit your driving again. Yeah, what's that bit sticking out there?
I haven't done that bit. I've done this then.
Okay. All right. Well, okay. What about the wheelie bin? Where does the wheelie bin go?
So they let me loose on the track again, boss.
Yeah, you did that bit there.
I made a nice flowing track, and they've messed it up by putting all these jumps in the way.
In this slippy section, yeah, keeps everybody on their toes. That.
A little jump there, and then we've got a bigger jump there coming through. A little double in with a slippy. Another jump, nice little tight section, and a little bumpy one over there just to come whipping it down the straight.
Well, I've got to
go finish off, boss.
What have you done to it? You broke it already?
Whoa,
oh, come on, go. I want to see you break it. I mean, not break it, no. Here we go.
A few moments later.
Already, we've got a breakage, right?
Breakage, have you seen this? Ready?
Go on. All right, how did that happen?
I actually don't know. I think my rear wheel hooked up, coming short on the...
I can't believe that.
I wasn't going fast, I was just taking it slow, getting it set up.
But what we've done, I've taken the shock off of my car, stuck it on your car, and it's better than nothing. It's going to be out of kilter, because it's different shock oils and stuff. But then again, it doesn't feel that much different.
Do you know
take
what?
it out, take it out,
see how I get on.
Yeah.
There.
So after your first heat really, You made one change, right? You put the battery forwards.
Move the battery forwards.
Is it better? It looked all right. You
know
were getting in your groove then.
I was getting into the groove.
Yes.
I made a few mistakes at the beginning. I'm really struggling with the slippy actually. The back end just whips round. So.
Yeah, you know why? I think it's because you're running a ball diff. Yeah. I think it's very tight.
So that is really challenging. The rest of the track, do you know what? It's relatively consistent. I'm not pushing it too hard. Don't want to break anything, you see.
Not again.
Not again.
We're having to change this between cars, and we got
We've got about 1 minute 30 to take a shot off here.
I'm stressed, man. I
and
don't
stick
come
it
here to
on
be
there.
stressed. It's annoying me, actually.
They could literally pause it for 30 seconds.
They ain't gonna. So
no. So we're just gonna have to go with it. Yeah. Get it onto the track as quick as we can. So I'm up next. Wish me luck.
Here we go. Here we go. So Cole's away nice and clean on this round by the look of things. The car's looking quite dialed by this point of the evening. We've done a few tweaks there, not too many. Oh, little accident there. That's going to happen on the first night really, but everything's looking really good. He's taking it easy just to get round. We've always said really that, you know, you're better off on your wheels than you are being marshal, because obviously marshals, well, depending on how fast they are, is how fast you're going to get marshal. But looking good round here, nice and easy over the jump there, straight down the straight there, and this chicane he's got pretty much dialed, a bit wide, but other than that it's looking pretty good. I wonder what final Carl will make, who knows. Right then, heat's all done. Where did you place?
Do you know what? I am considering on running one of your shocks just to get me through the day, because obviously we broke this one early doors. I managed the B final.
You've done well.
I'm chuffed to bits,
It looks planted. It looks really nice now.
B final, and do you know what? We've been so stressed with changing this shock. We've got like 30 seconds to do it. It means we haven't really put the time into any setups or anything like that. We've just had to focus on getting that shock onto that car. Look at it.
I know.
It's ready to go.
Between each run, isn't it? And we're just like the Formula One pit crew.
So obviously I made the B final, and it was a bit touch and go for a second. I thought we were going to be in the same final. We wouldn't have been able to run then, would we?
We wouldn't. No, I got to the A. So that's all right. The car's amazing. So quick. I've cranked up the old boost and the timing and that, and it's a handful. I won't lie, it's a handful. But we don't race them very much, so we can't expect to have miracles, can we?
No, not
so. Anyway, there you go. So we're away, nice and clean. Carl's got a relatively good start here. Now, if I know Carl, like I think I know him, he's going to enjoy this race. He's not going to push too hard. In actual fact, he probably won't race. This is purely a shakedown test run for the TLR buggy here. So far, so good. Okay, we've had a bit of an issue with it in that the shock shaft broke. But other than that, what a super car. What a lovely, lovely piece of kit. He's getting it around well. Oh, little bit of a mess up on the slippy there. He is struggling a bit with that tonight, but I think that's purely down to the fact that it's a ball diff and I've timed it up a little bit too much, so we'll slack that off for next time. So where are we racing? So it's DMS Racing in Watford. Nice little buggy club there. They run on Thursday nights about 7:30 in a school in Watford. Check them out on the internet. They do run a tight ship over there, which is good in some respects, but I'll be honest with you, it's a bit stressful for us because of that. We couldn't really get the cars dialed in as much as we would have liked to because of the timing constraints, but hey, that's the way it is in the UK. We don't have many permanent facilities, so we've got to get the carpets down, do the race meeting, get the carpets back up and go home. But listen, a massive thanks to Rochester RC once again for getting this buggy to us. We will be doing some tweaks over the coming months and weeks, so please stay tuned for those videos. Oh, look at that. I like that little, I don't think he meant to do that, but it was pretty cool. He's got that slippy dialed there. So yeah, anyway, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, smash the old ding dong bell, keep up to date with what we're doing. Thanks for everybody's continued support on the channel. It means a lot to Carl and I, because this is a part-time thing, and we spend a lot of time editing and videoing and getting the content out for you guys, and it's good that you enjoy it. Anyway, until the next video, stay safe everybody, and we'll see you on the next one.